Imagine a factory where robots outnumber humans, where new car parts are assembled every second, and a Tesla car is largely ready in just 40 seconds. This isn't a sci-fi movie, but reality. Tesla's world's largest and most advanced Gigafactory. Elon Musk calls it the machine that builds the machine, and when you see its interior, you'll understand why. Here, automated machines, laser-guided bots, and artificial intelligence systems work together like a perfect orchestra. While other companies take hours to build a car, Tesla rolls a new car off the production line every 40 seconds. This technology could change the course of the entire auto industry in the future. Today, we'll take you inside this factory, where the sights will astonish you. What exactly happens in Tesla's world's largest factory? How are cars being manufactured in seconds? So be sure to stay tuned until the end of the video, because the story is about to begin. Before moving on, subscribe to the channel to be the first to see such exciting videos. Tesla's Gigafactory is no ordinary factory. It's a place where the future is made. This factory is considered the world's largest electric car manufacturing facility. Its size is so vast that if you take a walk around it, you'll see no end even after walking for several kilometers. This factory is located in areas like Nevada and Texas, where the sound of machines, huge steel buildings, and fast-moving automated lines can be heard as far as the eye can see. Something new is being created here every second. People say that this isn't just a car factory, but a factory of the future, where tomorrow's technology is being developed today. When Elon Musk planned this factory, his dream was to create a place that would minimize the need for humans and maximize the power of machines. He said that true innovation isn't the car maker, but the machine that makes it. From this very idea, the Gigafactory was born. It's named Giga because it produces batteries and cars at a gigawatt-hour capacity, enough energy to run small countries. The factory's goal isn't just to make cars, but to free the world from old energy sources like petrol and diesel. The vehicles manufactured here are completely electric. There's no smoke, no noise, just a blend of silence and power. Every day, thousands of battery packs, motors, and vehicles roll out of here. And the most astonishing thing is that humans are rarely seen among them. Robots perform most of the work, and with such precision that the margin for error is virtually impossible. Every corner of the Gigafactory resembles something out of a science fiction film. Shining parts automatically connect to each other on long metal lines. Robotic arms weld. Laser machines cut metal. Machines moving overhead, and lines of cars flowing below. The entire environment feels like a living, breathing machine. The factory is designed to provide all its electricity from its own solar panels. The sunlight falling on the roof powers the entire factory. This is remarkable, as very few factories in the world are truly environmentally friendly. Automation technology at the Gigafactory. Looking at Tesla's Gigafactory, it feels like a machine from another world. Thousands of robots, not humans, work tirelessly and without pause. Shining metal parts, moving belts, and machines working in unison are visible everywhere. All this is so fast and precise that the viewer is astonished. It's said that over 10,000 robots and artificial intelligence (AI) systems work together here. Each robot has a specific task. Some assemble the vehicle's frame, some weld, some paint, and some inspect the finished vehicle. This entire system operates like an orchestra, each instrument playing in perfect harmony. Here, something is being assembled every second. As soon as a car frame arrives on the belt, a robot immediately grabs it and attaches the next part. Then, another robot welds the joints to precise measurements to ensure there's no gap. At the same time, a third robot begins preparing the next part. This entire process is so fast that it feels like magic. This is why Tesla's factory is called the world's fastest factory. Now, talking about its speed, a new car is produced here every 40 seconds. This may sound impossible, but it's the truth. While other companies spend hours, or sometimes even a whole day, building a car, Tesla's machines and systems assemble a car in just 40 seconds. To understand this entire process, it occurs in several stages. First, the battery pack is prepared. Inside the factory, there are special lines where lithium-ion cells are welded together to form a strong battery. An entire army of robots is engaged in this task. Each cell is assembled with such care that there's no room for error, because Tesla's battery is its driving force. Next comes the frame joining stage. This is where the car's body, or frame, is created. First, large pieces of aluminum are cast in a machine called a gigapress. This machine is so massive that it can create large sections of the entire car's body in one go. This strengthens the car's frame and saves a lot of time. After leaving the gigapress, these parts are sent to the next line where other robots assemble them. Thousands of welding spots are performed here, and sensors are installed at every joint, instantly detecting even the slightest flaw. When the body is ready, it's sent to the paint section. There's no odor or dust in the air. Dozens of robots simultaneously apply paint to the car, layer by layer, ensuring a shiny, durable finish. Humans only monitor that each color is applied evenly and neatly. Then comes the assembly line, where the car's engine, seats, glass, software systems, and screens are installed. This is where both humans and robots work together. Humans are primarily engaged in final inspections and finishing touches, while machines handle the rest. Every second, a new part is added here. Sometimes a door, a tire, a steering wheel. Finally, the car is sent to the testing line. Here, an AI system automatically checks every component of the car to ensure it's in perfect order, such as tire pressure, brake balance, sensor readings, and even software performance. If anything is found to be out of order, the car automatically alerts, and the robot fixes it on the spot. This means there's very little need for human intervention. This is why Tesla can work so quickly. And when the car is completely ready, it leaves the belt and heads to the testing track. There, its final tests are conducted: speed, braking, battery performance, everything. Only then is it decided whether the car is worthy of being shipped to the customer. Gigapress machine. The real game changer, the heart of Tesla's Gigafactory, is its Gigapress machine. This is the machine that has transformed the entire automotive industry. Previously, dozens of small parts were assembled to create a car body, but now the Gigapress machine casts a large part of the entire vehicle in one go. What used to take hours is now completed in seconds. This is why it's called the real game changer. The Gigapress resembles a mountain. Its height is equivalent to a two-story house, and its weight is so great that even moving it requires heavy machinery. When it moves, the ground trembles slightly. The pressure generated within this machine is enough to pour molten aluminum into a mold to create a large car body. Previously, companies would build each car part separately and then assemble them. But Tesla thought, why not cast the entire rear or front section in one go? This not only saved time, but also eliminated the possibility of error. The Gigapress's greatest feature is that it creates the entire car body in one go. It's like taking a toy out of a mold instead of assembling it. This not only speeds up production, but also increases the vehicle's strength exponentially. Because the body is cast in one piece, there are fewer joints, And where there are fewer joints, there's less chance of breakage or loosening. This machine operates with such precision that the possibility of error is virtually nil. Aluminum is melted at a temperature of approximately 700 degrees, then poured into a mold under intense pressure. Within seconds, it cools and forms a strong metal frame. The machine then automatically removes the part and sends it to the next line, where other robots begin work on it. Elon Musk says that the Gigapress has transformed Tesla's entire manufacturing process. Previously, a car frame required more than 300 parts, but now only 1 or 2 large pieces are enough. This has also made the car lighter and reduced production time by half. This is why Tesla is able to build the world's fastest cars today. A special system has also been developed to operate the Gigapress. Sensors are installed around the machine, which constantly measure the metal's temperature, pressure, and the mold's balance. If there is even the slightest error, the system immediately stops and corrects it. This means the machine thinks for itself and corrects its own mistakes. This is its true strength. The quality of the bodies produced by this machine is so excellent that the company requires very little finishing work. Painting and welding are also simplified. This saves both time and energy in the factory. This is why Tesla's costs are lower than other companies, while its vehicles prove to be stronger and more durable. Factory's energy and sustainability system. Tesla's factory is not just a world of machines and cars, but it is also an example for the planet. While other companies still rely on old energy sources like coal or oil for their production systems, Tesla has completely embraced renewable energy, such as solar and wind power. Thousands of solar panels are installed on the factory roof, which converts sunlight directly into electricity. During the day, these panels generate enough energy to run the entire plant, and the remaining electricity is stored in a battery storage system for use at night. This system is so powerful that the entire factory runs non-stop even on cloudy days or at night. Elon Musk believes that if the production process itself causes pollution, the purpose of electric cars is defeated. Therefore, he designed this factory in such a way that it works on zero-emission production, i.e., without smoke and pollution. Every waste generated from the factory is reused. For example, aluminum pieces are melted and remade into new cars. Water wastage is also very less here because the water used in the system is filtered again and goes back into the line. The factory walls are also equipped with special insulation technology to maintain a constant temperature and prevent energy wastage on air conditioning. Furthermore, sensors are installed in each section to determine when to illuminate and when not. This automatically controls power consumption. The result of all these efforts is that Tesla's factory is considered one of the most environmentally friendly industrial sites in the world. It showcases the fusion of technology and nature. Now, let's talk about the human-machine relationship that runs this entire factory. It's not as if everything is left to the machines. Both humans and machines work together. Machines provide power and precision, while humans provide understanding and oversight. When a new vehicle rolls onto the assembly line, humans use computer systems to monitor each robot's speed and direction. If there's even a slight glitch, operators immediately correct the system. Tesla believes that machines don't make mistakes if humans give them proper instructions. Therefore, every employee here is trained to work with machines. This training isn't just technical, but also involves thinking, such as how to coordinate with machines and how to understand when the system needs assistance. The role of humans is crucial here, as data on every process in the factory is constantly collected. Humans read this data and understand where improvements are needed. For example, if a robot slows down or energy consumption on a particular line is high, They intervene immediately. Tesla's market. If we talk about the world's most famous electric car company today, Tesla is the first name that comes to mind. Elon Musk's company is no longer just a car manufacturer, but has become a complete revolution. The speed at which this company is increasing production each year has set an example for other companies. Now let's discuss how many cars Tesla manufactures and sells each year, and what its future goals are. Last year, in 2024, Tesla delivered over 1.789 million vehicles to customers worldwide. Yes, you heard that right. Nearly 1.8 million vehicles. This is no small feat. Tesla accomplished this at a time when the global car market was experiencing fluctuations. Yet, Tesla surpassed everyone with the speed of its systems and factories. Now, if we compare this to 2023, Tesla delivered approximately 1.88 million vehicles that year. This means there was a slight decline in 2024, but the company didn't consider this a significant loss, but rather an opportunity for improvement. Because Elon Musk says that quality and trust are more important than quantity. His focus now is not just on vehicle numbers, but on their performance, battery life, and durability. Tesla has clearly stated that in the future, it wants to sell not just electric cars, but a complete system of smart mobility. This means that the vehicles, batteries, and charging networks are all under their control. This is why the company has even bigger goals in the coming years. According to several reports, Tesla aims to produce more than 2 million vehicles by 2025. The company is working with full force to achieve this goal. Machines in the Gigafactory run 24 hours a day, ensuring that production never stops. Furthermore, the company is preparing to set up new factories in countries like China, Germany, and India, making production easier on every continent. In terms of market share, the US and China remain Tesla's largest customers. Tesla is gradually gaining traction in markets like Europe and India. Significantly, Tesla doesn't just want to produce expensive cars, but is also developing affordable cars for the masses. This could lead to a significant market growth in the coming years. However, Tesla faces challenges, such as battery prices, increasing competition, and government regulations. According to Elon Musk, these are just small obstacles, not obstacles. Tesla remains the world's leading electric car company. Producing millions of vehicles annually is no easy task, but Tesla has achieved it. And its goal in the coming years is even greater: to have Tesla's name on every road in the world. So the question now is, will Elon Musk be able to maintain this momentum? Will Tesla break the 2 million vehicle mark in the coming year? The answer will be revealed in time. But one thing is certain: Tesla is no longer just a company, but a symbol of the future, a glimpse of the future. Elon Musk's next step. Now let's talk about the most exciting part: Elon Musk's next step. Tesla's factory, its machines, its vehicles, all together have already changed the world. But Elon Musk is a man who never stops. Just when everyone is wondering what's next, he does something that surprises everyone. So now the question arises: what is Tesla's next level? Reports and news reports indicate that Elon Musk no longer wants to limit Tesla to just electric cars. His next dream is a completely self-build factory, a place where machines build themselves. Imagine a factory that repairs itself, creates new robots, and runs without human assistance. It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but Tesla has already begun work on it. He says that if cars can drive themselves, factories can too. Elon Musk has another big dream: flying cars. He has repeatedly stated that in the future, traffic will be in the sky, not on the roads. And Tesla is working on technology that will allow electric vehicles to fly, lightweight bodies, fast battery charging, and silent flight. These are things that could become reality in the future. Tesla has already developed a battery capable of lifting even heavy engines into the sky. If all goes according to plan, in the next few years, we could see cars that run on the road and take off at the touch of a button. But Elon Musk's vision goes even further. He says Tesla will not just build cars, but will create living factories, systems that learn, understand, and continually improve themselves. This sounds like science fiction becoming reality. Many people ask, is all this possible? So the answer is, if anyone can do it, it's Elon Musk. For the man who made rockets reusable and who made electric cars the world's largest market, nothing is impossible. So, the future is going to be even bigger for Tesla. Now, it's not just about cars, but a whole new vision. A world where factories will run themselves, cars will drive themselves, and maybe even some will fly. And that's the future that Elon Musk is showing us today. Will this factory eliminate the need for humans in the future? If you also believe this is the beginning of the future, then like the video and subscribe to the channel.